Have you ever noticed something strange happening to your body after the age of 60? You go to bed hoping for rest, hoping your body will recover overnight. But instead, you wake up feeling stiff, sore, or strangely weak. Your shoulder aches, your neck feels tight. Sometimes your lower back feels like it aged 10 years overnight. And the confusing part is, you did what everyone says is healthy, you slept on your side. For many people over 60, side sleeping is considered the safest and most comfortable position. Doctors often recommend it to reduce snoring, support breathing, and protect the spine. But here's something most people never hear. Side sleeping only protects your body if your alignment is correct. If your alignment is slightly wrong even by a few inches, your neck, shoulders, and spine stay under pressure for 6 to 8 hours every single night. At age 30, your body might recover from that stress easily, but after 60, your joints, muscles, and discs become more sensitive to pressure and poor positioning. And that's why so many people wake up with morning pain, stiffness, or numbness without realizing their sleeping position is quietly causing it. In this video, you'll discover the most common side sleeper alignment mistakes people over 60 make, and more importantly, how to fix them so your body can finally rest the way it's supposed to. Some of these mistakes are incredibly common. In fact, there's a good chance you're making at least one of them every night without realizing it. And once you correct these small alignment errors, many people notice their morning pain begin to improve within just a few nights. Before we continue, take a moment to support the channel, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone over 60 who wakes up with neck, shoulder, or back pain. Sometimes the smallest nightly change can protect the spine for years. Now let's talk about the first mistake that quietly causes morning pain for side sleepers. When you lie on your side, your spine should remain in a straight neutral line from the head all the way down to the hips. Imagine how your posture looks when you stand tall. Your head sits directly above your shoulders, and your spine forms a natural alignment. That same alignment should continue when you lie down. But many side sleepers break that alignment immediately with the wrong pillow height. If your pillow is too high, your head bends upward toward the ceiling. If your pillow is too flat, your head drops downward toward the mattress. Both positions force your neck muscles to hold an unnatural angle all night. Over the course of several hours, those muscles become irritated and fatigued. Blood flow decreases, and the joints in the cervical spine begin to feel stiff. That's why so many people over 60 wake up with neck pain, headaches, or tight shoulders. The solution is simple but powerful. Your pillow should fill the space between your ear and the mattress so your head stays perfectly aligned with your spine. When the pillow height is correct, your neck muscles can finally relax. Another extremely common mistake happens with the shoulders. When lying on your side, your bottom shoulder carries a large portion of your body weight. If that shoulder rolls forward toward the mattress, it compresses the joint and the rotator cuff tendons. This position reduces the natural space inside the shoulder joint and places pressure on sensitive tissues. For younger bodies, this pressure might only cause mild discomfort, but after 60, when tendons become more vulnerable, this compression can easily lead to morning shoulder pain, numbness in the arm, or tingling in the fingers. Instead of letting the shoulder collapse forward, try gently rolling your shoulder slightly backward before settling into your sleep position. This keeps the chest open and protects the joint from pressure. Now let's talk about a mistake that affects the lower spine and hips. Many side sleepers allow their top leg to fall forward during the night. At first it feels comfortable. But as the leg drops forward, it pulls the pelvis out of alignment and twists the lower back. When the pelvis rotates, the lumbar spine follows that twist. Your body then remains in that rotated position for hours. Over time, this creates stress on the lower back joints and surrounding muscles. That's why many people wake up with lower back stiffness or hip discomfort in the morning. The fix is surprisingly simple. Place a pillow between your knees. This keeps your hips stacked and prevents the pelvis from rotating forward. That one small pillow can dramatically reduce pressure on the lower spine. Another mistake that often goes unnoticed involves the position of the chin. Many people spend time reading or using their phone in bed before falling asleep. During that time, the chin slowly tucks toward the chest. If you fall asleep in that position, the cervical spine remains flexed for hours. This stretches the muscles in the back of the neck while compressing the joints in the front of the spine. The result is often morning stiffness and tension headaches. Your chin should stay in a neutral position, not tucked down. Imagine your head being gently lifted upward by a string attached to the crown. This small adjustment helps maintain natural alignment in the neck. One more very common mistake among side sleepers involves the top arm. Many people place their arm under the pillow or under their head. While this may feel comfortable at first, it forces the shoulder into extreme internal rotation. Over time, this can irritate nerves and compress blood vessels traveling through the shoulder and arm. That's why some people wake up with numb hands or tingling fingers. Instead, keep your top arm resting in front of your body or lightly hugging a pillow. This keeps the shoulder relaxed and prevents nerve compression. By correcting these simple alignment mistakes, side sleeping can once again become a supportive and healthy position for your body. But there are still several hidden factors that affect how people over 60 feel in the morning, including the mattress you sleep on, how tightly you curl your body during sleep, and even how you get out of bed. And one of these habits may be the reason your body feels stiff every morning. One of the most overlooked causes of morning pain for side sleepers over 60 is the mattress itself. Even if your pillow and posture are perfect, the wrong mattress can quietly push your spine out of alignment. A mattress that is too firm prevents your shoulders and hips from sinking slightly into the surface. This forces your spine to curve upward and creates pressure points along the body. On the other hand, a mattress that is too soft allows the hips to sink too deeply while the upper body stays elevated. This bends the lower spine in the opposite direction. Both situations place unnecessary stress on the joints and muscles of the back. For side sleepers, the ideal mattress allows the shoulders and hips to sink slightly while still supporting the waist and lower back. This balance keeps the spine in a natural position throughout the night. Another subtle habit that affects many people over 60 is sleeping in an extremely tight fetal position. Curling the body too tightly rounds the upper back and pulls the head forward. Over time, this posture increases tension in the neck and upper spine. Instead of curling tightly, try maintaining a relaxed side position with your knees gently bent but not pulled close to the chest. This allows the spine to maintain its natural curves. Breathing also plays a surprisingly important role in how your body recovers during sleep. When the shoulders collapse forward and the chest closes, breathing becomes shallow. Shallow breathing reduces oxygen flow to the muscles and prevents them from fully relaxing overnight. Opening the chest slightly by keeping the shoulders aligned can improve breathing and help your body recover more effectively. Hydration also influences how stiff your body feels in the morning. During sleep, your body naturally loses fluids through breathing and metabolic processes. If you go to bed dehydrated, the tissues surrounding your joints may become less flexible. This can increase stiffness when you wake up. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps maintain healthy muscle and joint function. Another habit that many people overlook is how they get out of bed in the morning. After several hours of lying still, the spine and surrounding muscles need a moment to adjust. Many people twist their spine quickly to sit up, which can strain the back. Instead, roll gently onto your side first, then use your arms to push yourself into a sitting position. This movement protects the spine and reduces stress on the lower back. Once sitting, take a few seconds to slowly move your neck and shoulders before standing. This gentle movement restores circulation and reduces stiffness. It's important to remember that waking up with pain is not simply a normal part of aging. Many people believe that stiffness after 60 is unavoidable. But in reality, it's often the result of small mechanical stresses repeated night after night. Correcting those stresses can dramatically improve how your body feels each morning. Side sleeping is not harmful. In fact, when done correctly, it can be one of the most supportive sleeping positions for the spine. The key is alignment. Head supported, neck neutral, shoulders relaxed, hips stacked, knees supported. When these elements work together, your body can finally rest and recover during sleep. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and noticing something different. Your neck moves freely, your shoulders feel lighter, your back doesn't ache when you sit up. For many people over 60, these improvements begin with simple changes that take only seconds to apply before sleep. Tonight, before you lie down, take a moment to check your pillow height, your shoulder position, and your hip alignment. These small adjustments can transform the way your body feels when morning comes. If this video helped you understand why side sleeping sometimes causes morning pain, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple health tips designed especially for people over 60, and share this video with someone who wakes up every morning with neck or back pain. Sometimes the smallest change at night can create the biggest relief in the morning. Sleep well tonight and give your spine the alignment it deserves.